What if the most powerful AI tools on the internet were completely free? No trials, no credit cards, no catch. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 tools that feel like cheating for studying, for work, and for creating content. And number 5 is one almost nobody knows about. Let's get into it. First up, NotebookLM from Google. You drop in your PDFs, lecture notes, research papers, even links, and it instantly becomes an expert on your documents. Ask it anything, and it answers using only your material, with citations pointing to the exact source. But here's the wild part. With one click, it turns your notes into a podcast, 2 AI hosts breaking down your documents like a talk show. Students are using this to revise an entire semester while commuting. Writers use it to digest research in minutes. It's completely free with a Google account. If you read, study, or research anything at all, start here. Number 2, Perplexity. Imagine if a search engine and a chatbot had a genius child. You ask any question, and instead of 10 blue links and ads, you get one clear answer, with real sources you can check. Ask a follow-up, and it remembers the whole conversation. Planning a trip, comparing phones, researching a topic for work, it does in 30 seconds what used to take 30 browser tabs. The free version is more than enough for everyday use. Honestly, once you get used to it, normal searching feels ancient. Number 3, Gamma. This one saves entire weekends. Type a single sentence about your topic, and Gamma builds a complete presentation, design, layout, images, structure, in about 30 seconds. You can edit anything with simple prompts, then export straight to PowerPoint or PDF. It also makes documents and even simple websites the same way. Students, teachers, founders pitching ideas. This is the tool people quietly use the night before deadline. There's a generous free plan, so you can start creating today without paying anything. Number 4, Suno. Describe a song in plain words, the style, the mood, the language, and it generates a full track with vocals and lyrics in under a minute. A birthday song for a friend? Done. Background music for your videos? Done. It works in many languages too. You get free credits every single day, enough to make several songs. Most people don't believe this exists until they hear it. Try making one song. I promise you'll lose an hour playing with it. And number 5, the most powerful tool that almost nobody opens, Google AI Studio. This is where Google lets you use its flagship Gemini models, the same brains behind expensive paid products, for free. We're talking a context window big enough to paste entire books. You can share your screen and ask questions about what's on it in real time. You can generate code, analyze videos, and build prototypes, things people pay serious money for elsewhere. It looks like a developer tool, and that scares people away. Don't let it. Sign in, type a prompt, and you're using one of the most advanced AI systems on Earth for nothing. Here's my challenge. Pick just one of these tools and actually try it today. That's how you get ahead, not by watching, but by using. If this helped you, subscribe. I test free AI tools every week, so you don't have to, and what's coming next is even better. See you in the next one.